It was spectacular. The rooms are gorgeous. The technology is incredible.
You know, I didn't really know how it was going to go. I think from Linda on down, I don't think anybody really actually knew, because it was a first time for everybody, especially the big switcheroo, having to move the staff and the equipment and the patients all in more or less one day.
It is going really well, and that's a testament to everyone being here for the last several days, all through the weekend. They've set up their own stuff. They know where everything is. They're completely in control.
There's no question that they have established the most technologically advanced operating room in southern Arizona.
The technology is just amazing. The lights, the tables, everything.
The new monitors in the operating room, they show you the anatomy just perfectly crisp, and there's no question about seeing the wires and catheters. It's just it's a different world. It's a different experience. It's a pleasure to be able to operate like that.
They've designed the operating rooms to allow us as minimally invasive surgeons to use the equipment very easily, very seamlessly.
It's kind of interesting being this huge room. We're used to rooms that are probably 30 or 40% smaller.
The amount of work that everyone did and put in to make sure that every little detail worked perfectly was amazing.
I'm impressed with the new tower. I'm impressed with how well the staff has transitioned.
Spent a lot of time and effort preparing for having things the way we wanted them to be.
And I think the staff deserves a huge attaboy for how they've performed, especially the last 3 or 4 days, moving over here and starting this most important day.
And the patients have been extremely positive. I've tried to meet most of them that have been out here in the waiting rooms, and they appreciate the building, they appreciate the time we give them, the energy here. So feedback's been excellent.
At least I could say I was a celebrity for 5 minutes. It is really nice. The sky is even prettier now than it was. And we watched a helicopter come in. It's the first time everybody tells me that the streets in Tucson are straight, but to be able to look out there and see that straight street out there, I was kind of surprised. Well, just having the room by myself, being able to look at the TV when I want it, just those little things you usually don't think about.
The patients are so happy. The doctors are amazed.
Having this kind of facility will attract more good physicians to come over here, surgeons to come over here and work, and make it more successful for the organization as a whole.
I'm really happy for the institution, that this looks like the sort of thing that'll help keep us in the cutting edge, keep us in the market, and be able to help Tucson.
To be here since the inception and watch this thing, we've been planning it for 5 years, and to see it and be able to work in it, it's very blessed to be able to do that.
The doctor, who's been practicing like 20, 30 years, said this is the best operating room experience I have had in my entire career.
It changes dramatically patient care, physician satisfaction, and I think family satisfaction altogether. So it's a great change, and looking forward to many years here.